Hey everyone! If you've been exploring AI app builders, you've probably come across both Base44 and Bolt.new. These are two of the most talked about platforms right now, and today we're diving deep into which one is actually better in 2026. Whether you're building a website, a web app, or a complete digital project, this video will help you understand which tool fits your needs best. We'll compare features, ease of use, pricing, and most importantly, who each platform is actually designed for. Let's dive in. First, let's understand what these platforms actually do because they approach AI building very differently. Base44 is an AI-powered website and app builder designed specifically for creators, founders, freelancers, students, and business owners. You explain what you want in natural language, and it builds everything for you from structure to design to back-end functionality. It's visual, intuitive, and made for people who want results without touching code. Bolt.new, on the other hand, is a fast AI coding platform built for developers and people who want to generate code instantly and edit it directly in the browser. It's technical code focused and designed for people who understand development or want to learn by seeing actual code. So right from the start, Base44 is more visual and design friendly, while Bolt.new is more code friendly and developer oriented. Now let's walk through what it actually feels like when you use them, because the user experience is completely different. When you open Base44, you see an AI chat interface on the side. You type something like build a modern portfolio site with about services and contact sections, and Base44 generates the entire design, layout, images, text, and structure for you. You don't have to write a single line of code. You just adjust things visually using drag and drop tools and talk to the AI when you want changes. It feels like working with a creative partner who understands design. Bolt.new works very differently. You give it a prompt like build a full stack to-do app with login and dashboard, and it generates the complete code base for you. You can open files, see the HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and backend code, and edit everything directly in the browser. Then you run the project instantly to see it work. It's fast and powerful, but you're dealing with actual code from the beginning. Right away, we can see the fundamental difference. Base44 removes code entirely for people who want simplicity and speed. Bolt.new shows you the code because it expects you to understand some level of development or at least be comfortable learning it. Now let's talk about design and visual output because this is huge for most users. Base44 produces clean, simple, and modern design by default. If you care about branding, visuals, presentation, and having a polished, finished look, Base44 gives that to you right away. The AI understands design principles, color schemes, typography, and layout. Your project looks professional from the start without you needing design skills. Bolt.new is more basic visually. It will give you a working functional structure, but the visual polish depends entirely on you or your ability to tweak design through code. You'll get a functional app, but making it look beautiful requires CSS knowledge and design sense. So if aesthetics matter to you and you don't want to spend hours styling, Base44 has a clear advantage. Ease of use is another critical comparison point. Base44 is significantly easier for beginners and non-technical users. You describe what you want in plain English, the AI builds it, and you can drag, edit, and update things quickly through a visual interface. There's basically no learning curve. If you can describe what you want, you can build it. Bolt.new is relatively easy to get started with because the AI generates everything for you quickly. But you will eventually need to deal with code. If something breaks or you want to customize beyond what the AI generates, you need to understand the code structure. So if you absolutely do not want to touch technical things or learn development concepts, Bolt.new might feel overwhelming after your initial build. Let's dive into features because this is where the platforms really diverge. Base44 includes a complete system all in one place. You get hosting design tools, automation features, AI agents for content, SEO optimization, database management, and one-click deployment. It feels like an all-in-one creative studio where everything you need is built in. You're not jumping between multiple platforms or services. Bolt.new is laser-focused on fast code generation and rapid development. It's about giving you a working prototype or app structure that you can refine later. It does not offer marketing tools, visual page builders, automation workflows, or built-in hosting. You'll need to rely on external platforms for hosting, deployment, analytics, and everything else. So Bolt.new is a powerful code generator, but not a complete platform. If you want everything in one place, Base44 wins hands down. If you just want fast code scaffolding and you're comfortable managing the rest yourself, Bolt.new works great. Now let's talk about AI quality and how each platform understands you. Base44's AI feels like talking to a creative partner. It understands natural language conversational requests and design intent. You can say things like make this hero section more modern or add a booking calendar below the contact form, and it just works. The AI handles content, layout, UI adjustments, and even copywriting suggestions. It's designed to understand non-technical language. Bolt.new's AI feels more like a coding assistant. It's incredibly smart and fast, but it speaks developer language. It will generate functions, components, file structures, API routes, and database schemas. You need to understand what you're asking for in technical terms. So one platform uses visual creative communication, while the other uses technical developer communication. Performance is another angle worth exploring. Both platforms are fast, but in different ways. Bolt.new runs apps directly in the browser using WebContainer technology, which feels instant. You can see your app running in real time as you edit code. It's impressive for prototyping and testing ideas quickly. Base44 publishes optimized pages and apps designed for real-world performance. It handles back-end infrastructure hosting and automatic optimization, so your app loads fast for actual users. Bolt.new focuses on speed while you're building. Base44 focuses on speed after you launch. Both matter, but for different reasons. Let's discuss pricing because budget matters for most people. Base44 has a free plan that lets you build and test projects. Premium plans unlock custom domains, advanced AI features, more message credits, and white label options. The pricing is straightforward and designed for creators and small businesses. A Bolt.new also has free usage, which is generous for experimentation, but when you start deploying real projects, you'll likely need paid services from other platforms since Bolt.new is purely code generation, not a full deployment system. You'll pay separately for hosting databases, domain management, and other infrastructure, so the total cost can add up when you factor in all the external services you need. Collaboration is worth mentioning too. Base44 lets you invite teammates, share projects, and has community support with ready-made templates. It's built for teams and solo creators who want to collaborate visually. Bolt.new works through Git and standard code sharing workflows so developers can collaborate easily, but in a more technical way. If your team consists of non-technical people, Base44's collaboration tools are more accessible. Now let's answer the big question. Which one is actually better in 2026? The honest answer depends entirely on who you are and what you're trying to build. Let me break this down clearly. If you are a designer, a business owner, a student building a portfolio, a content creator, someone selling services, a freelancer building client sites, or simply a person who wants a clean functional website or app without dealing with code, then Base44 is absolutely the better choice. It saves time, produces polished results, and feels purpose-built for modern creators who want results, not technical challenges. If you are a developer, someone learning to code, a technical founder who wants fast scaffolding and instant code generation with the ability to customize everything deeply, then Bolt.new is an incredibly powerful tool. It's fast, flexible, and excellent for prototyping ideas and building developer-level applications where you control every detail. But here's my honest take. If we're talking about complete convenience, overall value, and practical usability for the majority of people, Base44 leads because it does everything in one integrated platform. It turns ideas into finished projects, not just code prototypes. You're not left figuring out hosting, deployment, or design on your own. Bolt.new is fantastic for what it does, but it's a tool within a larger workflow. You still need other services and skills to go from code to live product. Base44 handles that entire journey, which is why it's more valuable for most users. So to summarize clearly, Bolt.new is best for people who want speed, full code access, and control over every technical detail. Base44 is best for people who want to build real, polished, usable websites and apps without spending hours debugging code, designing from scratch, or managing infrastructure. Both are genuinely strong tools, but they serve different users with different goals and different skill levels. If I had to recommend one for everyday creators, entrepreneurs, and people who want results quickly without needing coding skills, then Base44 is the clear winner. It's more complete, more accessible, and honestly more practical for the majority of people building digital projects in 2026. That wraps up our detailed comparison for today. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest tool comparisons. Drop a comment and tell me which platform you're leaning toward and what kind of project you're planning to build. Are you Team Base44 or Team Bolt.new? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.